Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Success is the ability to go from one failure to another, with no loss of enthusiasm. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. If you can't fly then run. If you can't run then walk. If you can't walk then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. No person has the right to rain on your dreams. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. It always seems impossible until it's done. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. By perseverance, study, and eternal desire, any man can become great. A good plan, violently executed now, is better than a perfect plan next week. Pessimism never won any battle. The supreme quality for leadership is unquestionably integrity. Without it, no real success is possible. What counts is not necessarily the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. A positive mind finds a way it can be done. A negative mind looks for all the ways it cannot be done. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what it is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. The difference between winning and losing is most often not quitting. All our dreams can come true, if we have the courage to pursue them. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks he becomes. The future depends on what you do today.